Hello! Good afternoon. Okay, for today's video is gagawa po ako ng tutorial on how to reduce or to minimize the background noises while you're having your online classes, you're having a webinar, or yung sinabi ko kahapon, yung pag-cause sa inyong fam. Pero kabiruan lang po yun. But we don't know what kind of or what field do you work on when you have an online interaction. Okay, so wag na po nating patatagalin pa, and this is what I'm using, that is Crisp. Yes, Crisp. Okay, Crisp is an app which can help you to reduce the background noises. Crisp po is actually, it's a paid app, okay? You need to pay for that. But I learned a trick from the YouTube that I'm going to teach you also. I-relay ko po yung na-learn ko so that you can also have this kind of opportunity, because I know not every one of us has their own expensive headset or their headphones. Okay, so Crisp can help you. Okay, so Crisp is not too much big. Okay, you can see the file. Let's see on the task manager. Dito ka muna. Okay, as we can see in the task manager, Crisp. Hindi ko pa pala makita si Crisp kasi hindi pa po siya na-install. Okay. It's a prank. Okay, so let's go to our Google Chrome or any kind of browser that you had. Okay. And first thing first, let us download the app or the application Crisp. So let's type Crisp app for Windows. Okay, so you need to scroll down lang po and click this one, download. And then, if you can see this icon, just click that one. And, wait, sana po siya? Okay, yeah. And then, you should click this one. So, after clicking the green button or yung green na icon dun, is mag-open po siya ng another window, and just click this one. Get Crisp for free. And, download the app. Okay? Download the app. So, makikita po natin dito na it's on the process of downloading. Let's wait for a moment. Charan! Okay. So, click na po natin, X na po natin siya kasi we already finished on our purpose there. Sana yung downloaded file. Okay. Wait for a while. Go back po tayo sa downloads. And nandito po si Crisp. Okay, double click. And run. Run. Okay. Next, and repair. Because I already had a Crisp but it's not activated. So, repair lang. But siguro kung if you're new, just click next, next, and then wait for a moment. Finish. Okay, it means that the Crisp app is already installed in your laptop or on your desktop. Okay, makikita po natin yung K dito na icon. Okay, tchajang! Ito po si Crisp. Okay, so I will sign out po kasi meron po akong naka-sign in dyan na ibang account. Okay, so here's the trick now. Diba sabi ko kanina, Crisp is a paid application that so you can continually access this app is you need to pay. Okay. But here's the trick. Okay. So let's take a look on this part. Okay, I will just write the link, okay, on this site. So if you're going to enter this site, meron po siyang uh, email generator, which means you're going to have a temporary email address. So that's it. The second step is go to the CRISP account sign in. CRISP account login. Okay, thank you. So sign in. And then, makikita po natin dito yung CRISP. Okay. I need to sign out it first because as I said, meron pong ibang account ako na pinasok. So, if this is the thing that you can see in your account or in your window, let's go back to this part. Click this one because it means copy. Yeah, copy. And then place the email here. Paste. And click continue. Okay, so makikita natin dito na it is asking for a verification. So let's go back po and then refresh. Okay, you need to scroll down after the refresh. Scroll down lang po and wait for the verification, okay? Click this one. Okay, you need to open. And then, makikita natin dito yung verification number. Copy and paste. And then, enter. Tachan! Let's go back po dun sa application na CRISP, yung letter K dito, and then sign in. Okay. So, since after clicking the sign in, okay. Oh, I need to log it out. Kasi, as I said, I already had another account. Okay. So, di ba meron tayong ginawa na link, na email, fake email dito. So, let's just copy again. And then, place your email address. Continue, just the same process yung ginawa natin kanina. And then, go back again to your fake account or your fake email and refresh. Let's wait for a moment. And then, okay. Let's open again the verification number. Let's wait for a moment kasi ang hirap po ng internet natin ngayon. Kudos to PLDT. Okay, copy. Just the same process. And then place. Paste. And enter. Okay. So, i-X na po natin. And then, wait for a moment. Sign in. And then, yung account po na ginawa natin kanina is magdadirect po siya doon sa application na ginawa po natin. So, nandun na po yung ginawa natin na fake account. And, as you can see, meron po tayong free plan or the free usage of the CRISP for, let's see, for 2 weeks. For 2 weeks po. So, kung ma-expire na po siya sa 18, just do the same process. And then, you can see there how you can see now how efficient or how effective Crisp is. So that is all for our video now, and for the next video is the installation or how to use Crisp on any devices that you want. Okay, stay tuned again for the next video, and bye bye!